Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the card type and device compatibility. This avoids file format headaches later. Once done, power off the player or phone, locate the card slot, and insert the music card until you feel a click. Make sure the metal contacts face the correct way and align the notch if present. After insertion, power the device on and wait for the system to detect the card. This immediate detection tells you the connection is good and you can move to file transfer. You now transfer music. Connect the device or card reader to your computer and open the card storage. Once connected, create a clear folder structure like music/artist/album to keep songs organized. This helps metadata tools read correctly. Drag or copy supported files, MP3, OGG, FLAC, avoiding excessive bitrate mismatches. After copying, eject the card safely to prevent corruption. Then reinsert and let the player rebuild its library. You finish by rescanning the library in your device so it indexes the new files and generates artwork and metadata. Then test playback across several tracks to ensure consistent volume and correct titles. This confirms successful setup. If something goes wrong, files missing or skips, power off, remove the card, and check for physical damage. If needed, back up all data, reformat the card to the device's recommended file system, and repeat the transfer. That usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.